Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Rasti Mutapasaribu, but you can call me Rasti. Today I will tell about transportation. Transportation is various kinds of vehicles that we can use for traveling. Transportation have several types like land transportation, sea transportation, and air transportation. Land transportation is the transportation that usually we use in the land. Sea transportation is the transportation that usually we use in the sea. And the last is air transportation. Air transportation is the transportation that usually we use in the air. Apart from having several types, transportation also have various means of transportation, like car, motorcycle, bicycle, airplane, train, boat, bus, pedicab, and many others. Uh, the first, any car. Car is car is the one of the transportation that we often found. Car including land transportation. Car can accommodate 5 until 10 people or more. Car can make we don't exposed to sunlight, not like motorcycle or bicycle. Uh, but not everyone can buy the car because car have a very expensive price. And if our car was broken, we can bring it to the workshop for repair. And if our car was dirty, we can bring it to the car wash place. And the second, any motorcycle. Motorcycle is the one of the transportation that we often found. Motorcycle can accommodate can accommodate 2 until 3 people, and we can use a motorcycle when we want to traveling that not too far. The motorcycle also have a very expensive price. Not everyone uh, can buy the motorcycle. And if our motorcycle was broken, we can bring it to the workshop for repair. But if our motorcycle was dirty, we can bring it to the motorcycle wash place. And the third, any bicycle. Bicycle is the one of the transportation that we often found. Bicycle including land transportation. Bicycle can be used when we went to the some place that not too far, like to the stall, to the friend's home, and many others. And car can accommodate 1 until 2 people. Car, bicycle, can accommodate 1 until 2 people. Bicycle don't have a price that not too expensive, but there were expensive bicycle. And if we use a bicycle, we can expose to sunlight. And uh, and usually, if our bicycle was broken, we can bring it to the workshop for repair. The fourth, any airplane. Airplane is the one of the transportation that we often found. Airplanes, including air transportation. Uh, airplane is very big and can accommodate many people. And if we travel by airplane, we can invite our family. And but not everyone has traveled by airplane because travel by airplane need a lot of money. And and usually airplane drive by pilot, and usually in the airplane and several flight attendants that maybe can help us. Uh, and usually, in the airplane, any bathroom for we use, and the fifth, any train. Train is the one of the train. Train is the one of the transportation that we often found. Train, including land transportation. Train is very long and can accommodate many people. So if we travel by train, we can invite our family to for traveling together. And usually travel train driver by machinist. And if we travel by train, need money that quit very many. And the six, any boat is the one of the transportation that we often found. Boat, including sea transportation. Boat is very big and can accommodate many people. Initially in the boat, any bathroom for we take a rest or sleeping. So if we feel tired, we can go to the bathroom that any in the boat. And usually boat drive by captain. And and uh if we feel hungry, we can go to the someplace in the boat for buying a food. And the seven, any bus. Bus is the one of the transportation that we often found. Bus, including land transportation. Bus can accommodate many people because bus is quite long, and uh, we can use a bus when we want to go on a long journey. And usually a call for someone that drive a bus is bus driver. And the last is pedicab. Pedicab is the one of the transportation that we often find. Pedicab, including land transportation. Uh, Usually we use pedicab when we went to trips that not too far. And usually pedicab any in the market, crossroad, housing area, and many others. And if we use a pedicab, we must pay 2 until 5,000 rupiah or more. And usually a call for someone that drive a pedicab is rickshaw driver. That's all my telling about transportation. Thank you and see you.